Today I want to show you guys how to apply magnetic eyelashes with or without a tool. So wearing these magnetic eyelashes are super simple, super easy. I want to show you guys how simple, how easy, and how helpful and how much time you're going to save by using magnetic eyelashes. So go ahead and click the subscribe button, click the like, and comment down below, are you using or wearing magnetic eyelashes yet? And if you are, tell me what's your favorite brand. If you wear eyelashes, then you know and understand how sometimes frustrating it can be to wear eyelashes. Well, I'm here to tell you that the magnetic eyelashes, the advent of the magnetic eyelashes, is such a revolutionary thing and such a revolutionary product. Let me tell you the best things about wearing your magnetic lashes. The best thing about wearing your magnetic lashes is that they don't pull out your eyelash hair. So let's just say that you've been wearing lash extensions, or you've been wearing strip lashes, or even individual lashes with the glue, then you know that sometimes when removing those, they can be very stressful and very taxing on your own lashes. So today, I'm going to show you the easiest way and the easiest method to apply eyelashes without pulling out your lashes, without taking a bunch of time. It's super easy. You cannot get this wrong, okay? So the first thing you want to do when you get your lash kit is you want to grab the magnetic eyeliner. You're going to take the magnetic eyeliner and we are going to apply this to our lash line, very close to the lash line. And of course you can apply that liner however suits you. Once you finish applying your magnetic eyeliner, then you're going to grab your lashes. For the first lash, I'm going to use a tool, and for the second lash, I'm going to use my hand. You'll notice that your magnetic lashes have magnets along the line of the strip lash that will then attach to the magnetic eyeliner. Once the eyeliner is dry, then apply the magnetic eyelash. Soon there will no longer be pollution. Shining by the light of the diamonds. Place the lash as you desire, and it's that easy and that simple. It is a snap. These lashes are applied. I didn't have to do a lot of moving around. It was super easy and super simple, and to be honest with you, these lashes are going nowhere. Now let's do the other lash. So I'm just going to take the lash with my hand, as you can see, and I'm just going to do just exactly the same. I'm going to decide where I want it to go. I'm going to place it, and then I want it to be as close to the lash line as possible, so I'm just going to make sure that I properly place that on the lash line. And as soon as you place that lash, it's going to adhere to the magnetic eyeliner. So don't worry about it, but it's also not going to be like glue where if you stick it, it's going to pull your lashes out. It's not going to be like that. You just misplace it, pull it up. It's going to be fine. If you happen to pull some of the eyeliner, all you're pulling is the eyeliner. You're not pulling your lashes. Just reapply some eyeliner and that's fine. It's good to go. You want to make sure that you also press that end as well to wherever it is that you want it to be placed. It's really about making sure that it's placed how you want it to be, because everybody has a different eye shape. So your eye shape may be different than mine. Maybe you want to cut a magnet off or something because it's too large. But it's super, super easy. And I think the best part about the magnetic eyelashes is that they don't pull your eyelashes out. And you can just detach and reattach those lashes as much as you need to get them in the right location, and you will never pull out your eyelashes. You won't damage your eyes. It won't hurt. Now, when you're using your tools, you want to be careful because your tools are more than likely going to be magnetic, so the magnets will stick to it. However, it's super easy to use your hand or your tools to apply your magnetic lashes. The beautiful thing about your magnetic lashes and the magnetic lash kit that you're going to get once you click the link below is that it doesn't hurt. There's no pain associated with it. It won't pull your eyelashes out when you have to move them around. If you have to reattach and detach, it's not going to hurt your eyes. It's not going to pull your eyelashes out. It's super easy and so quick to apply, and they certainly give an additional boost to that look. So if you're interested in getting your magnetic eyelash set, definitely click the link below. All you're asked to do is pay for shipping on this. You're actually going to get the kit for free. You're only paying shipping. That's amazing, okay? The whole kit that you're going to get, I know for sure you can go to CVS and pay $20 or $30 for the set that they have at CVS. There are other kits that are $40 or $50. This kit you're going to get simply for the price of shipping, and there's no better deal than that. So click the link down below, get your super easy to apply magnetic eyelashes, and don't regret it. Don't ever look back, ladies. If you've been using strip lashes or any lashes that go in glue, don't look back. These lashes I use every day. Like, every day I use my magnetic lashes. I wear them to work. I wear them to the office. I wear them out. I wear them when we're going for family fun. I wear them when I'm going to the grocery store. They're super easy to apply. And let me tell you something, it's fast, it's easy, and it doesn't pull out your eyelashes. That's the most beautiful thing that I've seen. I've been able to regrow my own eyelashes since I've started wearing and using the magnetic eyelashes. So definitely click the link down below. All you're paying is for shipping on these sets, on this whole kit of magnetic eyelashes. And I know you are going to love this. This is going to make your makeup process a breeze, and they're super stylish as well. Alrighty guys, so that was the end of our tutorial. I want to thank you so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button. Let me know down in the comments, do you use magnetic eyelashes, and are you or will you be using them? Like, y'all. When I tell y'all I wear magnetic eyelashes every day, child, every day, honey. And I've been using them over the last few months, and I'm not going back to the other stuff. I mean, there's no need to. Now they got designs and styles that we all love. So I'm done. I'm a customer for life, okay? So definitely click the link down in my description box so that you can get that deal where all you have to do is pay for the cost of shipping for your full kit for magnetic eyelashes. I hope that you love this. I know you're gonna love it because like I tell you, none of my lashes get pulled out. I've been able to regrow my own eyelashes, guys. Like, what? Yes, I've been able to regrow my own eyelashes, and it doesn't hurt when I need to pull them off. It takes like a minute and a half to put these on. It's so easy and so quick. And so for me, this is definitely a plus, okay? Magnetic eyelashes are here to stay, okay? Alrighty guys, so thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye now.